account 70,000. Current account of A, B 12,000, 8,000. Current account of A and B 12,000 and 8,000. Current account of C minus 5,000. Revaluation profits 15,000. Revaluation profits 15,000. Now you will get total capital base. We write capitals of ABC. How much it? Capitals of ABC only 2,70,000. In books, you have only capital of 270, but based on D's capital, ABC's capital should be 3 lakh. The difference is called as hidden goodwill. Write down. Hidden goodwill in the problem 3 lakhs minus 2,70,000. Hidden goodwill in the problem 3 lakhs minus 2,70,000. 30,000. Two lakh, 3 lakh minus 2,70,000, 30,000. Did you all complete? Now you will write the effect of goodwill should be given through the partner's current account. Why? Incoming partner is not bringing cash per share of goodwill. Effect of goodwill should be given through the current accounts of the partners. Please be quick. Write the entry. D's current account debtor. D's current account debtor 30,000. D's current account debtor 30,000 into 1 by 5. 6,000. D's current account debtor 30,000 into 1 by 5. 6,000. Just switch off that exhaust fan. 6,000 to A current account, B current account, to A current account, to B current account, to C current account. In which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. Please carefully calculate the sacrificing ratio below the entry for ABC. Please be quick. Please calculate the sacrificing ratio of ABC in the problem carefully. Calculate the sacrificing ratio in the problem carefully. Old ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. First of all, what is the new profit sharing ratio? No? Leave some space right below that. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio first. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. D takes 1 by 5. D takes 1 by 5. Balance 4 by 5. D takes 1 by 5. Balance 4 by 5. It will be shared among ABC equally. A's share will be 4 by 5 into 1 by 3. 4 by 5 into 1 by 3. 4 by 15. Four by 5 into 1 by 3, 4 by 15. B will get 4 by 5 into 1 by 3, 4 by 15. C will also get wait, we are calculating new profit sharing ratio. D gets 1 by 5. The balance 4 by 5 is shared among ABC equally. So you get 4 by 15, 4 by 15, 4 by 15 and 1 by 5. Please convert it in a proper ratio. 4 by 15, 4 by 15, 4 by 15, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 can be expressed as 3 by 15. So 4 by 15, 4 by 15, 4 by 15 and 3 by 15. So ratio is 4 is to 4 is to 4 is to 3. Now you have both the old ratio and the new ratio. So it is 4 by 15 minus 3 by 6. 4 by 15 minus 3 by 6. Old ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. 3 by 6 minus 4 by 15. 3 by 6 minus 4 by 15. Sacrificing ratio of A. 7 by 30. B. 2 by 30. C.
Gaining ratio 3 by 30.
C is gaining 3 by 30. So go back to your entry along with D. Now you have to make Mr. C also as a debtor. D account debtor 30,000 into 1 by 5 we said 6,000. Now C account debtor. C will not be in credit anymore. C will also go into debit now because he is also gaining partner. C account debtor. How much was his gaining ratio? 3 by 30. 30,000 into 3 by 30. 3,000. 30,000 into 3 by 30. 3,000. Strike off C from credit. Take him to debit. To A capital account, not A capital account, A current account. 30,000 into his gaining ratio, not gaining ratio, sacrificing ratio of A. 30,000 into 7 by 30, 7,000. What was sacrificing ratio of B? 2 by 30. 30,000 to 2 by 30 is 2,000. 9,000 credit and 9,000 debit. Is the entry tallying? Where is your entry? Right? C will go into debit. How much will you debit C with? 30,000 into his gain. 30,000 into why are you coming to the class without material? So what did you write? Entry ultimate deduction. What is entry wrote? D account debtor 30,000 into 1 by 5, 6,000. C account debtor 30,000 into 3 by 30, 3,000. To A current account 30,000 into 7 by 30, 7,000. To B current account 30,000 into 2 by 30, 2,000. Give posting in the current accounts now. Difficult to post. You simply write other partners current account. C and D. C was how much? D by other partner current accounts. The capital accounts of the old partners in the new form should be proportionate to the new profit and loss sharing ratio, taking D's capital as base. Existing partners will not bring in any further capital. Necessary adjustments are to be made through partners' current accounts only. So partners' capital account should now be in their profit sharing ratio. Okay? I would understand. Now, what was the share of D in the profits of the firm? 3 by 15. 1 by 5 or 3 by 15 was. Correct? If 3 by 15 is equal to 75,000, 4 by 15 should be how much? 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 Right now? Working note. D's capital 75,000. D's capital 75,000. D's capital 75,000 for 1 by 5th share. D's capital 1 by 5th share. That is 3 by 15 is equal to 75,000. You write 3 by 15 is equal to 75,000. 4 by 15 should be how much? 4 by 15 should be how much? 4 by 15 should be how much? It is 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Come to partners capital account now. You write 2 balance carried down. 1 lakh. 1 lakh. 1 lakh. And 75,000. We have made their capital proportionate to their profit sharing ratio. Now, if there is a shortfall, look at the board. Actually, the account has only 90, but I want a closing balance of 1 lakh. 1 lakh 90. A is actually required to bring. So what the partners have agreed is, if there is a shortfall, it will be adjusted out of their current account balances. Are you able to understand? There is a shortfall. Actual balance is 90, but desired balance is 1 lakh. How can I increase his balance? He has to pump in money. When I ask A to pump in money, he says, boss, lot of credit balance is there in my current account, adjust from that. That is what was agreed between the partners. Okay. So if there is any shortfall, it has to be adjusted out of the current accounts of the partner. So I write here by current account 10,000. Wait. Here I'll write to capital account 10,000. B, again a shortfall of 20,000. 20,000. C, shortfall of 30,000. D, there is no shortfall. Balancing figure. Note down this. So there was a shortfall which has been transferred out of the partner's current account. Partner's current account have been debited. Give the posting. Similar problem was asked in the exam. Capitals have to be made proportionate, adjustment has to be done through the current accounts of the partners. See, if that paragraph is not given, the problem says partners' capital have to be made proportionate, and if there is a shortfall, partners have to bring in cash. Then they say buy cash 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000. That's it. Revaluation account we have already closed. We have already posted revaluation profit and reversal of revaluation. We have given treatment to goodwill. We have made capitals proportionate. Now find out current account balances. I think you can fix these capital balances in the balance sheet now. Capital account A 1 lakh, B 1 lakh, C 1 lakh, D 75,000. Current accounts. A, credit or debit? A. So carry it down debit side. Current accounts. A. 12,500 credit balance. B. Debit balance. By carry it down. How much? So current accounts of B. C, debit is more. How much? C, 39,500. D, debit is more. 9,000. Wait. You have to put other numbers. Creditors remain unchanged. 60,000 on the liability side. Creditors remain unchanged. 60,000 balance sheet liability side. Building, machinery, data we have already shown. Stock 1,05,000. Cash balance, please balance this amount. Carry it down 97,000. Cash 97,000. What happened, Ronak? This third class in admission. Let us do one more problem.